Going on, family? I wanted to give you a HogOn welding apprentice testimonial from my guy. He's just going to tell you how things been since I taught him how to weld. So let the folks know, man, how things been going.
Man, things have never been better. My name is Chris, and I just got to take the best knowledge that you can ever get. I got a $25,000 education for free and got paid for it. Man, my life has been better ever since I learned how to weld. And it was the best knowledge that I ever got. And it's only uphill from here. Only gonna get my certification, gonna start making the big dollars, open up my own business, start my own thing, and make my life way better than what it was.
So getting into the welding field, I know at first you was kind of intimidated. You probably thought that, man, I can't do this, probably too much.
Oh yeah.
But do you think that my welding style and how I was teaching you, my style of teaching, kind of helped you embrace it and learn it faster than normal, just going to a regular class or something?
Oh, definitely. I learned, 6 machines the first week I was there. The first week I was there, I learned 6 machines. I learned how to work the iron worker. I learned how to work the magnetic drill. I learned how to work the gas saw. I learned how to work the gas torch. I learned how to stick weld. I learned how to MIG weld. I learned so many things in the matter of 1 week. Because anything I asked, I got put hands on. Hey, how do you drive that forklift? Well, get on and let's find out. Exactly, just like that. I never got weighted. I never was just behind his back looking. I always got put to work. I always got put hands on. Always.
And you know what? Honestly, I think that's a good thing, because now they'll give you a lot of information in the classroom, and then you get in the real world and you're like, well, damn, how am I supposed to do this? And then honestly, when you jump into the real world and the field, a lot of people who's moving around don't want to teach you nothing. They feel like they got, their time is too valuable. They'll say things like, I was on the job and the guy actually said this. He said, a guy asked him a question. He said, well, go figure it out.
Yep.
You're like, damn, you're like, I'm here to help, and you tell me to figure it out. You want me to figure out a $100,000 machine that if I fuck it up, then it's a situation. And I ask you, hey, man, give me a minute just to show me how to do it. So I just feel like having a good teaching style and be able to help people, like taking your time to just give them some pointers, can actually change their life. So you think that really helped you?
Oh, help me most definitely. I'm getting trusted with welding stuff that you're really supposed to be certified to weld. And
exactly.
And I wouldn't have been able to do that without getting put hands on. And
hands
showing
on.
The different styles on how to do it, and being explained in a way where I'm going to understand it, even not being new to the game. Being barely started. And now, everything's been better. I actually like being at work. They have to tell me to leave. They got to tell me to leave.
So they got to tell you to leave. Yeah, that check must be nice. That check nice now, ain't it?
Hey, I get into that check situation, because it's been nothing but shit. If you got to work hard, you got to play even harder. And that's exactly what I've been doing.
Exactly. So do you appreciate the things that I done gave you up to this point?
Man, words can't express how appreciative I am. I owe this man so much for the knowledge he kicked me. People paid thousands of dollars for AAI, UTI, and I got that education for free, plus got paid big money for it. And I couldn't be more appreciative. Thank you, HogOn Welding.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.